Okay, I'm going to show you how to lift up the truck cabin. Very easy. So what you need to do first, you have to remove the bull bar, which is two bolts here, and then bring this one down, and then there is a lock here, so which is already unlocked. Have to pull this one up, but this is so heavy you can't. What you need to do, open the two doors, and then it's gonna be so easy, and then you can do by yourself. Open the two doors, and then it's can do by yourself. Easy. Look, I just opened the two doors, and then I did by myself. If the door is closed, it's gonna be so heavy, and then it's really hard to lift up the cabin. Thank you.